Hello guys, Clinton Tyler coming to you guys on behalf of CCF Club Cash Fund, and just giving you guys a weekly commission update, as well as my kits that have been mailed and are pending. And those of you who are in Club Cash Fund who are eligible to receive or have earned commissions, you know that we receive emails notifying us of commissions that are on the way, commissions that have been earned, and we're kept up to date with what's going on with our activities. So right here, as you can see, this was 3 days ago. It's Saturday now, so this was Wednesday, and commissions are mailed out on Wednesday, and here it says it's on the way. I just sent you your commissions for last week, totaling $4,140, and I blurred out my address. And this program, what can I say, folks? It's producing like many others haven't. A lot of people are flocking to this program for the simple fact of all we do is drive traffic to our link, and the mailing is handled for us. This stamping up the envelopes, the self-addressed stamped envelope that's included in the starter kit, the rotator. I mean, there's so many good things with this program, and more to come. I have nothing but good things to say about this program, folks. So I'm going to show you guys on the next clip the starter kits that I have out that are in circulation and those that are pending. Stay tuned. Okay, folks, I'm back, and here I am on the home screen tab, and I'm going to make this quick and brief. What you're looking at is, self-explanatory: pending mailings, total mail, direct referrals, and total earnings, which is $8,200. I have one kit pending mailing, 20 and 2, 117 and 3, and total mail so far 137. As you can see, position 1, 624, position 2, 1681, and position 3, and that's roughly about 2,442 kits that are out in circulation. And this number here, 2 and 3, has been from these 40 referrals. So, don't look at this and think and say, well, I wonder what Clint's doing. Yeah, I am doing my part, but there are some real go-getters in this 40. So you don't take this number, and saying it's like an individual thing. It's not. This is a team. It's not he, it's we. And this is what my team has accumulated. And just continue to get traffic to your link. You never know who will be in your direct referrals. That's a real marketer, what contacts he or she may have. So just continue to churn out your link and getting exposure to it. And you never know where the diamond in the rough may come from. So, folks, this is Clinton Tyler, just coming to you guys on this June 1st day, this beautiful Saturday. It's very hot here in Florida. Just keeping you guys up to date with my activities week to week. And for the new subscribers who may watch this video and subscribe, and those who have already subscribed, don't forget to click that notification bell. That way you'll be notified with videos when videos like this are uploaded, and you'll be free to watch them. So once again, folks, I'd like to thank you guys for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel. If you haven't joined this opportunity yet, you need to get on board. There'll be a link at the end of this video. Matter of fact, you can just click the link that's in the description underneath this video, and it'll take you right to the sign up page. All you have to do is put in your first name, your best email address, and it will take you to the opt-in. Well, once you get through the opt-in page, it'll take you to the main site, and you'll just have to look at a video or listen to it for about 1 minute and 45 seconds, and then a request form will pop up. Put in your information, hit submit, and I can get right back in touch with you and get your sign-up process expedited. So once again, Clinton Tyler coming to you guys on behalf of Club Cash Fund. Have a wonderful day. God bless.